Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold for 16th of May 2025. So first of all, let's see what the news says. We only got heavy impact news at 3 p.m. UK time. USD, that's what we are interested in USD only because we trade on gold. Right. So we got this prelim UM consumer sentiment and prelim inflation expectation. It's not very important news, but it's have impact news. Not like CPI, any FOMC, and it's not like that. But anyway, let's go on to our chart and see what's happening in gold. This was a daily impulse and rejection from there with the rejection, big rejection candle, as you can see, and then from there we had up to this demand area, market reversed back, rejected to the upside, made a double top, and now it tested the previous lowest level in the structure. So not the previous lowest level, but in fact it's a previous break of structure level. That's which has been tested. It swept all the liquidity from here, and now it's going to the upside. So that is the now what I'm expecting. Market move to the upside. However, it could come this way as well, and we could have seen a very sharp movement to here. But anyway, daily structure is still bullish because this is just the internal structure, this structure. And market tested this demand area, went to the upside, and then after this level, break of structure level, market to the upside. So that's what's happening in daily. Weekly, we are seeing rejection. Tomorrow is the end of the week. So we may see the market go to the further to the upside. So previous structure level was this level weekly was 32, 37. Now it's about 32, 31 is market. That's where the market is at the moment. And we've seen in 4 hour, 4 hours in different structure levels. After here, 4 hour structure was broken. And then we see multiple times the 4 hour was broken. This level was tested. So let's see in the 4 hour how the market behaved. Structure broken. And market rejected from this level here. Tested this structure level, went to the upside broke the 4 edge level again, and then as you can see, market rate created another structure and broke this one as well, and this is another level here as well. So that's what market been doing, bearish in 4H and 1H as well. The situation in 1H. So this was a daily level here today. Market broke This structure level came to here. In fact, there is another structure level here, two candle statement, retracement rule, and then broke this structure level and go to the upside. Now I'm expecting retracement here and then buy. That will make a head and shoulder as well. So in 15 minutes, see what's happening in 15 minutes. Market already made kind of head and shoulder and is going to the upside now. So anyway, at the point that was for the learning purpose. And now tomorrow, what we can expect as it's end of the week. Let's see, market will be closing tomorrow because there's a major daily level has been tested. So tomorrow we can see Friday's closing day, so we may see some sells and buys. So sells up to here from this level, and then buy possibly to the upside levels. So now 4H level is still bearish. So the market, there's no such thing as two candles here. However, we have some bullish candle here. So this is bullish engulfing, and now market can come up to this level, and we can see some selling from there, or maybe break and then up to this level. That's 4H. But we have to see always confirmation, and if you do not know how to use the indicator, which I normally use as well with the structure levels, you can always comment on this video, and I will explain that what strategy I use for the moving averages to help me with the trading and to help me with understanding of the structure levels. Because just structural in itself, especially for the new people, is very hard to understand sometimes. Basically, especially if you are new to trading, it basically adds another layer of probability, if you like. So it's better sometimes if you are in doubt or if you want more probability, then use other indicators such as moving average, etc., RSI, moving average. So I hope this is helpful, and thank you very much for your time. Have a good day. Good night. Thank you. Bye-bye.